Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install XAMPP in your Windows in a very simple way. So for that you need to choose any of your favorite browser and come over into the search screen and then search for XAMPP. So for that I'm going to search for XAMPP, click enter, and here you will get the XAMPP downloading option. So we're going to go for the source forge, so you're going to click on that, and after that we're going to click on download, and then your download will start shortly. And after that you can see the downloading interface comes in. So if I just click on download, it's about 150 MB, so it will take some seconds to complete. For that, keep patience. So as you can see, the download has been completed. Now if you just click on this folder icon and come over into XAMPP Windows installer package, if we click on that, and then if we minimize everything into the background, can simply click on that, click install another time, and then click next another time, and next, and as you can see the installing is started, so it will take some minutes to complete. For that, keep patience. And as you can see right now the XAMPP installing is completed, and now if I just click on finish, and as you can see the control panel is rightly showing into our Windows. So this is how we can simply download and install XAMPP in your Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.